Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video for learning that we are going to understand how you can create setter and getter method in Dart programming language. For that, create a new file. I say setter getter.dart main. Here I create a class. I say student. Simple example I will take. I say name and I say course. Remember? So suppose I want to create getter setter for this. So I say set name of this, and here I say string name like this, or I say this dot name equal to name like this, and they are saying this is nullable, must be initialized. So I can create it to where also to remove this kind of error like this. Then we say set. I say set course. I say string and I say course. Any name you can give. Just example. This dot course equal to course like this. Setter. So similarly, getter I can say get. I say get name. Here I say return, and I say here this dot name, and here you see that it is not showing any error. You see get name, but if I say it to set, so you see it is showing error that it should be some return value here string. Now this is the getter and setter, but you see this name is looking odd because it is you see set and set not look like a good one. So we can change the name as per the look. I say here my name. Here also I change it to my name. Remember, these names should be same. This name and this name should be same. Then set course is there. So I say here my course. I just change the name to my course. Then I need to use get my course here, and here I say return, and that would be this dot course. Remember, but it should return a value also. So I say string type. Like this, you can create getter and setter. This is getter, this is setter. Name should match, remember that. Like this. Now, if I create object here, so I say student s equal to student like this. Then I say s equal to name, that would be my name, equal to, I put here Dr. Vipin classes, and to print it, I say s dot my name like this. Similarly, I can do for my course also. So I say my course. Here I say Dart programming, and here I display this my course like this, and I run it. I say Dart run. You see, this is working perfectly. So like this, you can create getter and setter. Name should match here. Suppose if I change to this, I say set name and I say get name. You see, simply, so if I do this, and you see that if I say here set name and I say here get name, you see, and I run it, so no difference at all. Remember that, because I know get or set is there, setter and getter. But this is the fashion of Java or other programming language. But here in Dart, we should try to keep the name same like this. Like this, we should keep the name same. So that's why I'm using here my name. Here also you should use my name. So name should match here with this. Otherwise, no error at all, but it is better to use like this. Otherwise, you can use set or get, and you should remember that you have to put set or get. So that is your task now, but this is the way to do set or getter in Dart programming language. Once again, run it. Same output we have, same kind of things we have. So that much in this video. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.